Hello, and today we'll start with this another Android Studio tutorial, which will be about music player. So let's first open Android Studio. As I have already created a lot of prototypes of this music player, we'll create another music player final. So let's start a new project, empty activity. I'll rename the app music player final. And I'll be using API 24, that is Android 7, no good. So all the API which are below 24 would not be able to run this app. So you need to change the API. You can also use API 21. Let's wait for the Android Studio to complete the build. As we can see, the Gradle has been finished with the build and the sync is done. So we'll first add the resources to it. I have already added all the resources in one folder, so I'll be putting it on my description. So we'll first create an Android resource folder. The resource type would be raw because we need to add MP3 file in it. So let's add all the resources in it. Here is the MP3 file. The song is Snow Crystal. Now we'll add all the JPEG file or PNG file to drawable so that we can use it as background of buttons or as album art. So now we'll begin with the .xml file. We'll start with the editing of the layout. Firstly, I would like to change the layout type. I would change it to relative layout because it's more preferred. Everything you can position everything relative to another. We'll add the background to it, which we have already added to the drawable.